G'day, it's Brad from EC Connect, here to discuss another feature of our EAP software as a service platform for telecommunication providers. Today we will talk about the last viewed, watch list and ownership features. These are features that are not heavily used but can definitely help streamline your day-to-day tasks and business operations and help things get done quicker and keep track of things that you need to get done. So here we are on the dashboard, logged in to our testing service provider. On the dashboard, you'll notice the blue box which says last viewed and watch list. So clicking on that will expand the table and it'll show up to the last 5 viewed customers. So as you can see, I've only viewed these 3 customers in this instance at the moment. So up to the last 5 it'll show here. The next feature that we'll discuss is about the watch list. So in the main menu, click on My Watch List. At the moment I don't have any clients in my watch list, but I'll show you what this might be useful for. I'll search for a client and go to the Client's Overview page. On the Client's Overview page there's 2 links which are related to what we're talking about. One is add to watch list and the other is take ownership. So let's firstly add this customer to my watch list. Here you can put a note such as a reminder or just something that you need to do for this client or something that you need to be aware of. Okay, the link now changes to remove from watch list. So you can tell that you're now watching this client. So go back to my watch list link and we can see this client in here. It also shows the note that you entered at the time. So this could be anything. And the action is watching. You can use the checkbox here to remove the customer from your watch list. And that could be also used for multiple clients. Okay, let's go back to that client again. Okay, now let's look at take ownership. So take ownership is the same. Okay, and the link now changes to drop ownership. Again, it shows in my watch list link and the action is taken ownership. Shows the note again. Now what is different with taken ownership versus adding to my watch list is that this ownership can then be seen with a different user. So let's sign in as a different user. Okay, we'll go to that client as a different user and we can see here it says currently owned by and then it has the username. So a customer call center person or an administrator can see that this other user is taking care of this client. Okay, I'll just log back in. Okay, so go back to my watch list here. So I'll just put a different customer in my watch list. Yep. Let's take ownership of this one as well. Yep. Okay, so we've got a few customers in our watch list now. The other thing on the dashboard, this area, last viewed and watch list, does show the watch list client here. So they'll also be accessible very easily from the dashboard. And the other feature related to this is the administration feature. So if you're an administrator, click on Manage and then go Watch Lists. And this will show all clients that are owned by all users. Again, you can use the checkboxes to remove them. Yep, and then a filter by different users here. Okay, so hopefully you guys can make use of this feature. Hopefully it streamlines some things for you. And if you can't see any of the links or if you have any trouble, please reach out to the EC Connect team. And thank you very much for listening.